What up, folks? AJ here, and we are heading to Union Baptist Church. We did a tour of them on site, and they moved pretty quick. We split it into 3 phases. The first phase is just to replace the mixer that they have that's sitting up under the pulpit in the choir loft. So we're going to switch that out with an X32 rack mount. We got an iPad that's going to be able to control everything. I also am throwing in a unified access point so I can have Wi-Fi, because I don't know what the Wi-Fi is there in the area, if it's going to be strong enough for the iPad to be able to connect to the X32. But we set it up as a standalone access point. Already configured that, so I just got to plug it in. So even if there's nothing, we should be good to go. I think I brought my bundle of Ethernet cable. I think I did. But anyway, this should be a quick turnaround, just because I'm cleaning out that space, putting this stuff in, hooking up all the mics and everything to this system, and we should be good to go from there. Worst case scenario, I would have to come back and maybe get some cables or something like that I might be missing, because we're not drilling anything, we're not setting up no computers, we're not doing no live streaming. It's mainly just switching out the old mixer with a digital mixer that can be controlled from the iPad, because right now where it's at, no one is actually controlling it, they're just turning it on. So this is going to give some more functionality to it and give them some room to grow. And the next phase after that, I think, is going with TVs and cameras and stuff like that to get a higher quality video and audio for having a conference call for the service and put them on the path of getting to live streaming. So let me do a little bit more driving. I'm about 2 miles away, and then we take you inside. Alright, so again, folks, we're coming out of this board. A lot of this stuff we're going to integrate into the rack that has already been assembled. We're going to pull this stuff out so that that rack will now contain everything. So let's do a quick transformation. Alrighty, so we got everything in here. I've got all the mics tested except for the wireless. It looks like they weren't charged. I was able to play stuff through. Some of the other speakers are not hooked up. Let me turn this off. But this is all the stuff we were able to remove that the digital board has been will replace. Right now, sound is coming from this and there, and those up there. These are not plugged in, so we might have to come back and do some wiring for those. I actually can walk up under here, so we might have to run some new cables. And as well as, I'm gonna bring some other XLRs, because the wireless mics were connected as an unbalanced one, but now that we have enough jacks, I'm actually gonna run an XLR for each channel, so now each individual channel will be able to be adjusted instead of them being combined. But good to go. Like I said, once I get the other cables, I'll be able to spin those around. Actually, I might leave them that way so that the antennas are facing this way. But we did significantly cleaned up a lot of the stuff down here, so we're good. Actually was able to get that done in an hour. So now to turn everything off, we would just, I'm still gonna shut down the X32 this way. Hold on. We're still gonna go here and go to setup, go over here to shut down, push that in, and then now we can just flip the main breaker right here, and now it kill the sound to everything. So there we go. Straightforward. So now I had an access point, but I didn't realize that the internet router is actually here, so I didn't have to run anything. So that is really cool. So we'll repurpose the access point. That was something I just threw in. So I might repurpose that, put it at my church, put it at home, I don't know. We still have the iPad. I don't have it hooked up yet because I need them to put their account on it so that we can download the X32 app. So this way, this is controlled from here. But I will add this to the Wi-Fi, and we'll be able to go from there. So when we're back, I will let you know. Link is down below to everything that we used here. And again, thank you so much. And, we'll be back to do some training and everything like that. And I think this was a phase 1, looking at maybe a phase 2 and 3, add some TVs, cameras, live streaming, all this other stuff. maybe a personal computer up here to do graphics, scripture, and stuff like that. But, you know, we'll bring you along if we do some stuff like that. You know, you can hit me up at ajhomes.com/consultations if you want some help with your media ministry stuff, and we like that. So if you like the type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell, that way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. Catch you later.